Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about some introduction for exercise 1.5. Let's see some definition. First is complement of a set. The complement of a given set, which consists of all elements of universal set that doesn't belongs to the given set. For example, if we have this universal set, in general we are taking this universal set U and A as a subset of U. Okay. So, what is the complement of a set? Complement of a set A is generally denoted as A dash or A complement. Okay. Which consists of all elements of universal set. This will contains all elements of universal set that doesn't belongs to the given set, that doesn't belongs to this set. Okay, so this will contain those elements which belongs to the universal set but doesn't belongs to the particular set A. Okay, symbolically we will write it as A dash is equals to those x which belongs to the universal set but doesn't belongs to the particular set. Okay, let's take some examples. Let A is equals to A, B, D and U is the universal set which consists of A, B, C, D. Okay. So, what will be in the complement of A? This will contain only C because C is not in the set A. Second is U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A is equals to U. So, what will be in the complement? This will contain no element. So, this set will be 5. Let's discuss about some properties for complement of a set. First one is if U is contained in A, then complement of A will be 5. As we already discussed that if A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. If A is equals to U, then A complement will be equals to 5 because there is no element which is in U but not in A. So this will be 5 because you all know that A is already contained in U. Okay. If A is a subset, then A is a contained in U. If U is contained in A, this implies A is equals to U. Okay. If this condition holds, then A dash is equals to 5. Okay. Second is A union A dash is equals to U and intersection of A and complement of A is equals to 5. Next is complement of 5 will be equals to U and complement of U is equals to 5. Next one is if we find the complement of a set. Okay, complement of a set, this is equals to the set itself. Okay, let's do question number 1, which is let U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A is equals to this set, B is equals to this set and C is equals to this set. We have to find complement of A. We know that in a complement we have those elements of universal set which are not in the set A. Okay. So, we will find complement of set A. This will contain all the elements of universal set which are not in A. Okay. So, we will find all the elements of U which are not in A. So, 1 will be discarded, 2 will be discarded, 3 and 4 will be discarded. So, answer will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, what about B complement? B complement will contain those elements of union, those elements of U which are not in B. 2, 4, 6, 8 will be discarded. So, answer will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. What about A union C complement? We have to find the complement of union. First of all, we will find the union. You know that what is union? Union will contain those elements which are in first set and second set also. Okay. So, we will write combine these two sets. So, what about A union C? This will contain 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3, 4 is repeating. So, we will not write it again. 5, 6 will be here. So, this is A union C. we have to find the complement of this. This will contain those elements of universal set which are not in union. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be discarded. So answer will be 7, 8 and 9. What about A union B complement? Okay, first of all we will find A union B. Okay, what is A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. Here 2, 4 is repeating. We will not write it again. 6, 8 will be here. This is A union B. But we have to find the complement of this. Okay. This will be those elements of universal set which are not in this union. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will be discarded. 5 will be here. 7 will be here. 9 will be here. Okay. Because 4, 6, 8 are here. So these will be not the elements of complement. Okay. What about the complement of a complement? Okay. We have already discussed about the properties like complement of a complement of set is set itself. Okay. So you can write it directly, but you can also solve it. Like first of all you will find the complement of set A, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So in complement of a complement of set, we will write those elements of universal set which are not in the complement. Okay. Complement is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will be the answer? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will be discarded. So answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. You can observe that this is the set A itself. Okay. So next one is B minus C complement. We have to find the complement of difference of B and C. You know that what is difference of set? Those elements of B which are not in C. Okay. Here B is 2, 4, 6, 8 and C is 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 is in set B but not in C. So you will write it here. 4 is also in this set. So this will be not the element and 6 will also discard. 2 and 8 will be the difference of B and C. We have to find the complement of this. Okay. So we will write all the elements of universal set which doesn't belongs to difference of B and C. These will be 2 and 8 will be discarded. We will write 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Let's discuss about question number 2, which is if U is equals to this, find complement of the following sets. A is equals to A, B, C. We have to find the complement of this set A. We know that complement of a set is U minus A. Okay, difference of U and A. Here U is equals to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and A is equals to A, B, C. We will discard the elements of A. Okay. So in complement we have D, E, F, G and H. Okay. What about set B? B is equals to D, E, F, G. We have to find the complement. So it will contain those elements of universal set which are not in B. Okay. We will discard the elements of B. D, E, F, G will be discarded. So A, B, C, H will be the complement of set B. What about C? C is equals to A, C, E, G. Okay. In complement of C, we have A, C, E, G will be discarded. So answer will be B, D, F and H. What about D? D is F, G, H, A. Okay. In complement of D, we have those elements which are not in this. Okay. So A, F, G, H will be discarded. So answer will be B, C, D and E. Let's discuss about question number 3, which is taking the set of natural number as universal set, we have to write down the complement of following sets. Okay. First set is those x such that x is an even number. This is the set builder form. Okay. We will write the answer also in the set builder form. Okay. This set is containing those x which are even numbers. Okay. So in the complement we will write those x which are odd natural numbers, because here universal set is all the natural numbers. Okay. In the complement we have odd natural numbers. Now second part, those x such that x is an odd number. What will be the complement of this? This will contain those x which are even natural numbers. Okay. What about third? Those x such that x is a positive multiple of 3. In the complement we have all the natural numbers which are not the multiples of 3. Okay. What about fourth part? Those x which are prime numbers. Okay. So in the complement we have those elements which are not prime numbers. Okay. So the numbers which are not prime numbers are called complement. Okay. Are called composite numbers. Okay. So the answer will be those x as that x is a composite number and x is equals to 1. Here x is equals to 1 is mentioned because x is equals to 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay. Now next part is those x as that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. In the complement we have the natural numbers which is neither divisible by 5 nor 3. Okay. What about seventh part? X is a perfect square. In complement we have those natural numbers which are not a perfect square. Okay. So what about this part? Those x such that x is a perfect cube. So answer will be those x such that x is a natural number but not a perfect cube. Okay. What about this? Those x such that x plus 5 is equals to 8. If we solve it, we will get x is equals to 3. Okay. So what will be the complement? Those x such that x is natural number and x is not equals to 3. What about ninth? Those x such that 2x plus 5 is equals to 9. If we solve this, we will get x is equals to 2. Okay, in the complement we will have those natural numbers which are not equals to 2. What about this? Those x such that x is greater than equals to 7. So answer will be, complement of this will be those x such that x is a natural number but this is less than 7. Okay. Now last part, those x such that x is a natural number and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. If you solve this, 2x is greater than 9 and x is greater than 9 by 2. Okay. So here answer will be those natural numbers which are less than equals to 9 by 2. Okay. So that's all about for this lecture. In the next video, we will discuss some more concept of exercise 1.5. Thanks for watching.